I'm not exactly a Christmas cracker. I'm more of a seasonal slacker. I come off like a less green Grinch, and I won't bite my tongue, I won't budge an inch. 'Cause there's so much to organize, so many names to memorize, and herein the problem lies, I can't be bothered. Who's gonna buy the presents and decorate the tree? Ain't got time for Christmas or your family. Who's got room for carols to drink and be merry? Ain't got time for Christmas. Have you got time for me? I know I really push your buttons, complaining about all these nothings, but I can't socialize all week. That's too much time for me to be acting sweet. 'Cause there's a growing shopping list and deadlines that I've missed. I'm a grump, you get the gist. Yeah, I can't be bothered. Who's gonna buy the presents and decorate the tree? Ain't got time for Christmas or your family. Who's got room for carols to drink and be merry? Ain't got time for Christmas. I know I'm acting like a party pooper, and you put up with me like a trooper. Can we fall into a drunken stupor? Can we fall into a drunken stupor? Just wanna lie with you on the sofa. Who's gonna buy the presents and decorate the tree? I ain't got time for Christmas or your family. Who's got room for carols to drink or be merry? I ain't got time for Christmas. Have you got time for me? She went away on Christmas Day, didn't come back till New Year. He thought everything had changed, but it was all in his head, a sad invention. As soon as I mentioned the boy girl do their own thing, no lonely heart. So go on in, there's wood on the fire. She went away on Christmas Day, but he already knew this was coming, but still he made mistakes. Instead of just making friends, you went on bending. As soon as I mentioned the boy girl